there. My name is Roland and I will guide you through the installation process. You should have received two USB sticks, one labeled boot and one labeled image. The one labeled boot is used to start the computer and it shall not be removed until the computer reboots. The image USB stick will be stuck in later. So we boot with that USB stick. Okay, now that's it. Select the very first entry, that is Clonezilla Live default settings, VGA 800x600. And press enter. Now there it goes. Please do not change the keyboard layout, just accept the original American layout, not to get messed up with the keyboard entry at boot time or installation time. Just hit enter, keep the default keyboard layout, say yes, just hit enter. Now select Start Clonezilla, this is the very first entry. Now we will work with disks and partitions. This is also the very first entry. We use local devices, that means again the very first entry. Now we want to add our image USB stick. So I connected it to the system and press enter to continue. Okay, now it scans my devices and it finds a big hard disk. In my case, it is called WDC something. That's a Western Digital one, and its name is DevSDA. And remember that name. Press Ctrl C to exit. So we press Ctrl C. We need to mount the USB stick with the image. It suggests the big disk. This is not the image, so select the one with the image. It's 32 or 16 megabytes. It is called something like a USB stick, in my case Verbatim Store and Go, and it is the SDG disk, not SDA. SDA is the built-in hard disk. So I choose SDG. Now we have to select the directory. Move with the cursor to the one called 2020 something. It's called 2020 -12 -01 -19 -img _des _1 _cz _img. That's it. So do not hit enter. Hit the tabulator key, that's tab, twice to come onto the done button. When the done button is highlighted, then you press enter. Now it states the source where the image is loaded from will be the device SDG. That is the USB stick. This is correct. Now we hit enter. Choose beginner mode. It's the very first entry. Just hit enter. Now we want to restore, not to save. Go down for go down 2 keys and highlight the restore disk, not restore parts, just restore disk. It's the third line, and hit enter. Choose the image file to restore. There is only one on the USB stick. You already selected the directory, that was 2020 something, and this is highlighted here. Just press enter. Now the target disk has to be selected. We only have one target disk on that system, that is SDA something, and it shall be your big built-in hard disk. Hit enter. No, you don't need to check the image. Just say no and press enter. When all is done, what shall the computer do? Take reboot, that is the third entry, and hit enter. Now it says it is ready to clone. Please press enter. Now it says that all data on your hard drive will be erased. Are you sure to do this? Press yes. Now remember, you have got an American keyboard. In my case, it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, the 7th key in the second row. That is the key between the 6 and the 7. Okay? Yes. It asks the same question a second time, just to be sure that you thought a little bit. So let's hit the same key again. That's it. Now it will go and install your computer. This will take a little bit. This window comes up 2 times. There are 2 partitions to be restored. Partition 1 is done. Partition 2 will follow at once. Okay. Now I will cut out a little bit of time in the video so we do not have to wait 3 minutes. It's about 2 or 3 minutes that my system takes to be installed. Maybe yours will take a little bit longer. Depends on the hardware that you have. Okay, as you can see, I jumped a period of time in the video, so we don't have to wait that long. That was the 2 to 3 minutes was fake news, as you can imagine. Okay, it's nearly done now. Now the hard drive is expanded to the size it really has, because the image was compressed. Do not hit any key, just let it go. Okay, now it will reboot. Now unplug the USB sticks, both of them. You can install another computer now if you want and wait until it booted. The username is Ubuntu, the password is Ubuntu. When it boots up, you don't need any password. It makes an automatic logon. That's it. There you are. Now, have fun with a new installed Ubuntu. Have a nice day. Bye.